Hello, yoga enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting journey, Sarah Beth Yoga's 30-day challenge. Get ready to unlock incredible flexibility both physically and mentally. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more wellness content. Now let's delve into the transformative world of yoga with Sarah Beth. Picture this, a month-long journey of self-discovery through yoga. Sarah Beth's 30-day challenge is designed for all levels, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned yogi. It's not just about poses, it's about building strength, balance, and flexibility in both body and mind. The challenge is structured to gradually enhance your practice. Each day introduces new poses, flows, and mindfulness techniques. Sarah Beth's carefully curated sequence ensures a progressive and rewarding experience. It's not just about the destination, it's about enjoying the journey. Unlocking incredible flexibility is just the beginning. Throughout the challenge, you'll notice increased energy, reduced stress, and improved overall well-being. Sarah Beth incorporates mindfulness and breathing exercises, making this more than just a physical challenge. It's a holistic approach to self-care. One of the unique aspects of this challenge is the supportive community. Join fellow participants on social media using the dedicated hashtag. Share your progress, challenges, and victories. Sarah Beth herself engages with the community, providing guidance and encouragement. It's like having a virtual yoga buddy throughout your journey. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from participants who have completed the challenge. Many have experienced not only increased flexibility, but also a positive shift in their mindset. From improved posture to a sense of accomplishment, the testimonials speak volumes about the transformative power of Sarah Beth Yoga's 30-day challenge. Ready to embark on this transformative journey? Whether you're a seasoned yogi or just starting, Sarah Beth Yoga's 30-day challenge offers a path to unlock incredible flexibility and holistic well-being. The link to join is in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, stay mindful, stay flexible, and stay well. Namaste and see you on the mat.